In this video, I'm going to show you how to add vignette in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, select your image you want to add a vignette to. So just click on it like that, go to filters over here on the bottom, and then here you want to look for vignette. So for me, it's over here. You may want to scroll up or down if you don't see it, and then click on that, and it's going to give you this live vignette over here. Now, what you should do here is, first, I would recommend you actually do this shape over here. So, of course, it's not going to show unless you adapt this exposure first. So just basically change this exposure a bit. I'm going to make it a bit darker. There we go. And then you can select your shape as well over here. So however you want the shape to be, you can just do it like that. As you can see, it's up to you. I'm going to leave it like this. And then you can also adapt the scale. So the scale you want, you can do it like that as well. And then also you can adjust the hardness if you want it to be like this or more towards the edges. So that's basically how you can add vignette. And then you can, of course, change the opacity as well as the blend mode, and then just click on this X button and your vignette has been added. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.